Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can buy NFTs on Cardano blockchain. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So friends, I'm slowly shifting my focus to Cardano because I think there is a huge potential for Cardano ADA to rise in the future, and they have lot of decentralized applications and also NFTs and also metaverse gaming. So the first thing that you will need to have is you will need to have a wallet, which is a eternal wallet. So this is basically a Cardano community wallet. I already have this wallet. As you can see, it's Ash on Crypto, and I have close to 49 ADA in my wallet. So I will show you how you can go ahead and buy NFTs over here. So once you are here on the wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to D app browser. So basically, this wallet is a Chrome extension. You can go ahead and download it from the Chrome and add it over here on the top right, and simply go down. And as you can see, they have a lot of options over here with regards to decentralized. So let's take an example of adapunks.io over here, and it's showing wait for all accounts to be loaded. So I think we will need to go ahead and refresh this once. So I will again try connecting adapunks.io. For some reason it's not getting connected, so I will click on connect account and connect as D app. And as you can see, now it's connected over here. Now if we go to adapunks.io and if we click on connect wallet, so now we'll click on connect to site. So as you can see, my eternal wallet is now connected. Now, let's say if you want to buy any of these NFTs over here, simply go ahead and click on buy. And in total, there are around 24 punks that you can buy, as you can see. So, we will sort this by price, and the lowest priced one is this one, which is 95 ADA. So, currently, I think the ADA is around 37 cents. So, this will be close to $30 for you. So all you have to do is you will need to simply click on buy. But as I don't have sufficient ADA in my eternal wallet, it's showing me insufficient funds. So I will click on OK because anyways I'm not buying this one. I will need to search for good opportunities over here. But if you are interested in any of this, you can simply go ahead and buy it. So once you have the enough ADA in your wallet, the transaction will go through, and you will need to pay a small ADA as fee, and then this NFT will reflect in your wallet. So it is this simple to buy NFTs on Cardano. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.